Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. The Gala chart has formed a triangle pattern. It could already have completed here. Yeah, that's how I did have it before. I need to think about it now actually. Here. Yeah, where I did say, okay, triangle could be completed, but I'm extremely skeptical because we don't have the downside momentum to confirm it. Okay, normally you get a rapid move down if a triangle is completed and it takes a break below the 1st of May low to confirm it. All of that was avoided. So at the moment it is still possible to, to interpret this as an Elliott wave triangle in wave 4 of an unfolding downward, impulse or even diagonal, in which then in the next instance, if we really get that break to the downside and it takes a break below the Wednesday low initially to indicate that this is what's happening, that's the 3.9 cent level, followed by a break below the Wednesday low, the 1st of May, which was at 3.85 cents. Okay, so in this scenario, we should move down in wave 5 of C of a larger B wave pullback, which is an overall still bullish scenario. I talked at length about the long-term issues that I have with this chart. I mean, the long-term, the overarching arching structure of this chart is just a mess. But still, we are, as long as we're in a bullish market, I'm looking for higher prices, especially as long as the main support area is holding and the lower boundary level of that is at 1.9 cents. So as long as that's holding, I'm generally looking at higher prices. But we should move down in wave 5 to around about 3.3 cents to 2.6, so somewhere in between, maybe around the 3 cent mark. And then from there, a C wave rally can begin. At the same time, it's of course possible, as per the alternative here, that the low is already in. In that case, a WXY structure was formed. And this is really only something I can really consider at the moment, as long as we're holding that 1st of May low. But a break below the 1st of May low indicates obviously that the break of the triangle, right, to the downside, actually into the expected direction as per the yellow count, because the triangles typically break below or to the opposite side of the E wave, okay, of their relevant E waves. Therefore, it is absolutely possible to see that move down from here, but it takes confirmation. Triangles tend to morph, they tend to change, as you've seen yesterday. Okay, we had a complete triangle. I already mentioned expect some, morphing because the momentum isn't there yet. Not very typical for a triangle break, but they also, especially in this cycle, they've been very unreliable. So I'm normally not tracking triangles. I do track them here because at the moment we have a lot of nice triangles, but I'm very much cautious they could break the other way. Okay, and that's why I have that bullish count for you as well. And I have the breakout point, which is here indicated by the green line. So a break above the 4.9 cent level would indicate that we're heading to the upside in the third wave in white. So that's what we're looking at. Third wave in white. It's like an ABC structure. And then we should get a fourth wave and a fifth wave. But the third wave should reach 7 cents and the fifth wave 7.9 cents. Okay, so really only if I get these 5 waves filled in, we can say with confidence that we've bottomed there. But already a break above the green line will indicate, that's basically 5 cents, okay, will indicate that we're going that way. And at least it would invalidate the triangle as it is, or at least make it much less probable. Full triangle invalidation will occur if there's a break above that 23rd of April high at 5.36 cents. So these are the key levels I think we should watch this week. But be aware, we've now arrived at a key pivot. I mean, this is where an E wave of the triangle could absolutely complete. Surely one more push higher is possible. Technically, it can extend all the way up to the green line, but this is now where this triangle could be completed. I'm not focusing so much on these triangles. It's more like a theoretical concept. In this cycle, they have become very unreliable. Last cycle, it was different. But that's how you need to learn about the markets as well. What's typical, what's not so typical. It's now extended to the 61.8 extension at 4.5 cents. I mean, that's an ideal target for a new wave of a triangle. So watch this as a potential for a potential move down. As I said, it takes a break below yesterday's low to confirm. I'm not very confident about this triangle, but this is where it would complete. So it's just a level it's just an area to watch now. Be on high alert, I should say. That's my update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.